The ugly truth about bad investments. Why cars and other common pitfalls are ruining your financial future. Hi everyone, Alec here from Financial Success Secrets. Today, I want to talk about a topic that's near and dear to my heart: bad investments. Specifically, I want to dive into some of the most common pitfalls that people fall into when it comes to investing their hard-earned money. Now, we all know that investing is important for building wealth and securing our financial futures. But what happens when we make the wrong investments? What happens when we put our money into things that are actually hurting us in the long run? Well, unfortunately, that's exactly what's happening to a lot of people out there. One of the most common bad investments that people make is buying a car. Sure, cars are nice to have and they can make life more convenient. But when you consider the fact that cars lose value the moment you drive them off the lot, it's easy to see why they're not the best investment. But cars are just the beginning. There are so many other bad investments out there that people fall for every day. From trendy tech gadgets to high-risk stocks, it can be hard to know where to put your money for the best returns. So, in this video, I'm going to break down some of the most common bad investments and explain why they're hurting your financial future. I'll also give you some tips on how to avoid these pitfalls and make smarter investment decisions. So, if you're ready to take your investing game to the next level, be sure to stick around for the next 5 minutes. You won't want to miss what I have to say. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the most common bad investments out there. One of the biggest culprits is high-risk stocks. While it's true that investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth, it's important to understand that there are no guarantees. If you invest in high-risk stocks without doing your due diligence, you could end up losing a lot of money. Another common bad investment is trendy tech gadgets. While these gadgets can be fun to have and use, they're not usually great investments. Not only do they lose value quickly, but they also become outdated quickly. This means that you'll need to keep upgrading to newer models if you want to keep up with the latest technology trends. Real estate is another area where people often make bad investments. While buying a home can be a good investment in some cases, it's not always the right choice. If you buy a home in an area with declining property values, or if you take on too much debt to finance your purchase, you could end up in a financial bind. So, what can you do to avoid these pitfalls and make smarter investment decisions? First, it's important to do your research. Before investing in any stock, gadget, or real estate property, be sure to research the market and the product thoroughly. Look at the historical performance of the investment and consider the risks involved. Second, consider diversifying your portfolio. Instead of putting all your money into one investment, consider spreading it out among different assets. This can help you manage risk and ensure that your overall portfolio performs well even if one investment doesn't. And finally, don't be afraid to seek professional advice. Financial advisors and investment experts can help you navigate the complicated world of investing and ensure that you're making smart decisions for your financial future. So, there you have it, some of the most common bad investments to avoid and tips on how to make smarter investment decisions. Remember, the key to financial success is making informed choices and taking steps to protect your wealth. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.